So hello everyone, we are back again with question number 12 from ICSE grade 10 chapter 1 force. And for this question, we'll be talking about, usually we talk about a uniform meter rule, but here it says 4-meter long seesaw. So let me remind you how seesaw looks like. Seesaw looks like something like this, right? So now it says it's a 4-meter seesaw, so which means start from 0, this would be 4 meter, and the fulcrum will be at 2-meter mark, right? So it says when a boy weighing 20 kgf sits at one end. So this is the boy 20 kgf who is sitting at one end. 20 kgf sits on one end of a 4 meter, which means distance from this boy to fulcrum is going to be 2 meter. It says how can it be brought to horizontal position by a man weighing 40 kgf. So now this 20 kgf will take this seesaw in anti-clockwise direction, right? So where will a man of 20 kgf, 40 kgf sit? So the question is, this man will exert force of 40 kgf. We have to understand that because it is going on anti-clockwise direction, so we'll have to keep the other person on the other side so that it brings to a balanced situation. So we have to find out how far this person will sit, x. So we know the concept that anti-clockwise moment equals to clockwise moment, and based on that, anti-clockwise moment goes like this. So it is 20, force is 20, the distance from the fulcrum is 2 meter, and for clockwise it is distance, weight is 40 kgf and distance is x. So therefore we can find x as 20 into 2 upon 40, which comes out to be 40 upon 40, and that's 1 meter. Now it is 1 meter, which means the person will sit at a distance of 1 meter. Then only this will be brought to rest. So what is the answer? By setting of man at a distance of 1 meter from the center and side on the opposite end, because that would be bringing the seesaw in the balance situation. So this is question 12. Let's move to question 13. Well, let's start with question number 13. Question 13 goes like this. It says a physical balance has its arm of length 60 centimeters. So it's a physical balance, arm of length 60 centimeter, which means this is the balance, right? 60 centimeter, this is 60 centimeter. And the other one is 40 centimeter. So it says what weight kept on a pan of longer arm. So there is a pan, and so question says what weight, right, on a longer arm balances an object of weight 100 kg, 100 gram force kept on the other pan. So other pan is here. So here we have 100 gram force. We have 100 gram force. So the question says, how much is this? So we know clockwise. So this weight will bring it in the anti-clockwise direction, and this will try to bring it in clockwise direction, right? So we know anti-clockwise moment equals to clockwise moment. So anti-clockwise moment force is W into 60 equals to the force on the other side is 100 GF into 40 centimeter. That's the distance. So therefore we get W equals to 100 into 40 upon 60. 0, 0 cancel. So I get, this is 2 3s are, 2 2s are, I get 200 upon 3, which comes out to be 66.666, which we can write it as 66.67, because the third digit is more than 5. So whenever third digit is 5 or greater than 5, the second digit becomes +1. So this would be, this was in gram force, this is gram force. So you can see that is our answer. This was question number 13. So hope you've understood the question 12 and 13. If you have any further question related to these concepts, do put it in the comment box. We'll be coming up with the next question in the next video. Next question will be 14 and 15. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye-bye.